Every single day, a new AI tool promises to change your life. One claims it can replace your writer. Another says you'll never need a video editor again. And before you know it, you're spending more time testing tools than actually getting work done. So instead of wasting hours trying everything yourself, I reviewed 25 of today's most talked about AI tools to answer one simple question. Which ones are actually worth your time? After comparing features, ease of use, practical value, and overall experience, only 7 made the final list. Tool 7, Perplexity AI. Most people use Google for research. The problem? You have to open 10 different websites before finding one useful answer. Perplexity changes that. Instead of giving you a list of links, it gives you a direct answer with sources attached. It's incredibly useful if you're researching YouTube topics, writing articles, or learning something new. Would I replace Google completely? Not yet. But for research, it's one of the best AI tools available today. Tool 6, Gamma. Creating presentations normally takes hours. Finding templates, changing colors, moving every little object around. Gamma removes almost all of that. Describe your topic, choose a style, and within minutes you have a complete presentation ready to edit. It's perfect for freelancers, students, and business owners who need professional slides quickly. Tool 5, NotebookLM. This might be the most underrated AI tool on this list. Instead of asking AI random questions, you upload your own documents, PDFs, research papers, notes, meeting transcripts. Then NotebookLM answers based only on your information. That makes it incredibly useful for studying, planning projects, or organizing large amounts of information. Before we continue, here's something interesting. Out of the 25 tools I reviewed, nearly half looked impressive at first, but became almost useless after a few minutes. Fancy marketing doesn't always mean useful software. That's why the next 4 tools completely surprised me. Tool 4, Ideogram. Most AI image generators create beautiful pictures, but text? Usually terrible. Ideograms solve that problem surprisingly well. If you create thumbnails, social media graphics, or marketing images, being able to generate readable text inside an image saves a huge amount of editing time. Tool 3, Claude. Claude feels different. Instead of giving short robotic answers, it usually explains ideas more naturally. It's excellent for writing long-form content, brainstorming, and editing. If your work depends on writing, Claude deserves serious attention. Tool 2, ChatGPT. This probably isn't a surprise. But here's what many people get wrong. ChatGPT isn't valuable because it answers questions. It's valuable because it becomes better when you give it better instructions. Learning prompting is often more important than switching between different AI models. Tool 1, Kling AI. If there's one tool that genuinely impressed me recently, it's Kling. Creating realistic AI videos used to require complicated software. Now, a simple prompt can generate cinematic results in minutes. It's still not perfect, but compared to where AI video was just a year ago, the progress is incredible. After reviewing these tools, one thing became clear. The best AI tool isn't necessarily the newest one. It's the one that actually fits your workflow. Don't install 20 different apps. Master just a few. You'll save time, create better work, and avoid the endless cycle of chasing every new AI trend. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe to Logic of Automation because every week we'll explore practical AI tools, automation systems, and workflows that actually help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.